Ended up making 1,200 profit. Today we are doing a trading recap. All right, let's go. Let's see if what did I trade today? NASDAQ and mini NASDAQ, I think. All right. Okay. We're talking. What caused me to enter the trade? Okay. So, here's how it first went. I seen this big liquidity sweep, right? And then I entered like right here. I entered on a buy contract. I thought it was going to go up, but then I ended up... No, I'm lying. Never mind. Yeah, I entered a sell contract right here. No, right here. And then it ended up going up here. I got stopped out. And I seen that it created a little mountaintop. And if we go over to my trading notebook, hold on, I'll be back. I gotta get my trading notebook. Trading notebook acquired. Okay, so as I was saying, I got stopped out. But then I remembered in my liquidity section of TJR's boot camp. Oh, what is that, daytime? Yep, the mountaintops. Mountaintop goes up like that and then goes down. Because when the high is broken, people are buying. The market does this. The reason why trading is so hard because of this. High broken, but then low was also broken. Sellers got stopped out. Buyers got stopped. And then the sell orders start to hit. And it goes down. That's exactly what happened here today. I was able to recognize that. And it would go up, come down, go up, and then come down. And so as I remembered this, I was looking exactly in my trading notebook. This is the reason you take notes. It came up, came down, and then it came up. And that's when I realized, I was like, wait, this looks really familiar. And that's when I decided to place my trade again. You should never take 4 trades in one day, but I ended up doing that. And it came down, and I made profit. And I would enter... I did it on mini NASDAQ and regular NASDAQ. Same exact setup. Come up, come down, come up, come down. Same exact thing. I just took a single trade on each one of those 2 different times. The first time I got stopped out because it came up here. Let's see, short position would look like this. And then I had take profit down here. And so that's what it was looking like. And it got stopped out. But then I re-entered over here. little bit of a higher take profit. I mean, stop loss. And then a lower take profit. My risk to reward ratio is not great, I will not lie. But at the end of the day, I still did hit the trade. So, basically, well, I'm not a financial advisor like they say, but if you know that a trade's going to hit, if you see your A+ setup, you could probably take the trade. But don't trade every single day if there isn't a good trade, because that's what makes people not profitable. The most profitable traders, they don't trade every day. They just take a few good trades with a good risk to reward ratio, something that looks like this, and like they'll take a 7-to-1 ratio trade, and it's just like crazy. I'm not at that point yet. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I'm probably gonna have one of these, but at the end of the day, my trades are still hitting. So it's just know when to take a trade, know when not to trade, and study to get better. One thing I don't recommend, study a bunch of different strategies, because then you get confused. Just study. Find one strategy with 3 different confluences. Confluence, basically three things that cause you to enter the trade. My 3 confluences, I have right here. My trading plan: liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap gets entered to see reaction, then I enter. Those are my 3 confluences. You have to find your own 3 confluences and just stick to those, like master fair value gaps and liquidity sweeps and break of structure. Find out what those are. Don't go to 5 different strategies, because like, what's that one girl? There's one girl, she said her dad, the best advice she got was from her dad: don't learn too much about trading. The less you know, the better. It's semi-true. TGR also said something similar to that back in her earlier days on the video. I think it was the reasons why you're not profitable. And he mentioned, like, you're learning too much about trading in the form of you're learning multiple different strategies. Just learn one strategy and have 3 different confluences. So that's today's trading recap video. 1,200 profit, and I'm excited for Monday. 0 folders on Monday. Tuesday, I'm probably going to trade Tuesday just because there's 1 folder, but I'm probably going to trade like 11. I'm going to let it calm down a little bit. Also, another tip: if you haven't watched TGR's Bootcamp, here's a very important thing. Don't trade when there's CPI, PPI, foam, or NFP. Today's trading video. Have a good one.